Yo, 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 what is up? Welcome to another Sit Ninja Game Dev. Today, we're just going to jump right into it. Since the last episode, I have already completed change text to Sit Ninja Score. It's a tedious level 3, which means all I had to do was change one line of code. It was super easy. Nothing really exciting there. And today, I want to focus on adding saves. I want to add some saves today because currently the game does not save your scores and all that. Now, just a quick, brief little overview. The save method that I'll be using today is the built-in save, which is not the most ideal for your games just because it's super easy to like hack into and all that stuff, but it's just like a fun little app game, so the saves aren't that important. Um, so yeah, so let's get in there and start using the built-in saves. Um, One thing that I've been thinking about for this series is cutting the code part, because reason being is when I watch game development vlogs, I oftentimes skip the code parts and go straight for like the changes. So what I want to try and implement is a before and after um, type of flow. And you guys can let me know if you want to see the code, if you want to see me doing the coding part, which I think is extremely boring. Let me know, and I might add that in future episodes. But for now, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna do um, before and afters. So before, as you can look here, I sit down, I collect cookies and whatnot. I get kills. The kill score goes up. My sit score goes up, and all that stuff, right? Boom. Okay, I'm gonna stop here. Let them just kill me. So 7 kills and 8.4, right? So it shows right here, sit time 8.4, kill 7. Your sit ninja score is 78. There's an algorithm that I made up to use for that score, which I think it's fair, but we'll see later. So boom, I try again, right? And da 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 da. I'm getting more points. Boom, give me a cookie. Boom, got 3 kills. I'm just gonna let them kill me just to show. So now you'll see that it updated. I got 3 out of 7, which is my best. 7 kills is my best, and I topped my sit score. I'm sorry, my sit score. Now my sit ninja score is higher. All well and good, but the problem is that when I exit the game and then come back to it, don't ask why that looks funky. I have never figured that out. Come back to the game and I play it, right, and then I sit down. Boom, 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 boom. I get a kill, get 2 kills, sit down, stand up, and then they kill me. It doesn't save, it starts over. My best was 7 and 10.1. Now start over saying this is my best. So what I'm going to do for this episode is just change that so that if I exit the game and come back, it remembers what my bests were, and then we conclude for today. Conclude. Cool. So yeah, again, I don't know why this is so funky. I imported, I think, a FBX, a .fbx file from Blender, and it's just been funky like that. I'm not entirely sure. I need to look into it, but it doesn't affect the game. When I play it, it corrects itself, oddly enough. So I don't know. But to the code, this is where I'm going to get into the code, and I'm going to fix this issue, and I will update you guys anytime that I actually run the game. But until then, alright, here we go. So I only added to save for the kill so far. So let's test this out and see if this works properly. No errors so far. No errors so far. If this piece of code works perfectly, then I can add it for the rest of the variables with no problem, and this episode will be concluded. We have 4 kills, 5. I'm gonna get this 7. 7's a good number. 7 kills. Boom, down. Okay. Let me just make sure that it's not erroring me. 7 kills. I should see a 1 out of 7. I'm gonna kill one enemy. Kill you, the unlucky one. and doom, bam. Okay, cool. So now we can exit out, and it should save. It should still show 7 kills. 7 kills. Let's go for 7 kills. Let's do 2 out of 7. I'll kill 2 people. Boom. Boom. All right, cool. So yeah, I want to add to the checklist to make that a little more. Boom. Cool. 2 out of 7. It's saved. Sweet. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the same for the sit time and the sit ninja score. And okay, so now I've added saves for all the variables on the UI, game over at least. And now I'm gonna test it, but I kind of got lost in doing all this, so I'm not entirely sure what's going to occur, but we'll find out. We shall find out. You're dead. I need some sit time. Get my score up a bit. I'm gonna give it like a legit playthrough right now, just so I can get like a nice high score that I won't want to try and beat. A couple seconds later. Sit, stand, sit ninja, the sit ninja, sit ninja, sit ninja, sit ninja, sit ninja. Man, I can't wait to move on to indie games, man. I can't wait. Put the pedal to the metal. I have some really cool ideas. I have some really cool ideas for some indie games. A lot of inspiration from a lot of like fantasy, like Final Fantasy, Kingdom Hearts, Street Fighter, Star Wars, of course, Lord of the Rings, even like simulators like Spore and Sims, and man, I can't wait. I seriously can't wait. But first things first, finish sit ninja, sit ninja, sit ninja, sit ninja. Alright, I think this is a good place to stop. Well, I don't want to die by green. I want to die by red, because the red are the true champs. No greens, no greens. There we go. No, I didn't mean to kill you. I'm sorry. I want to die by red. There we go. There we go. Boom. Alright, so add a space there. Remember that. Actually, I can do that real quick. You guys don't mind watching this code real quick. Where are we at right here? So yeah, add space and space. Boom. I think it'll auto update. Let it load, and success. Cool. Cool. So my expectation is that I'm going to exit out the game, the app, whatever, and then all of these best ofs are going to save. So let's find that out. Boom. Here. Exit out. Back in it. Play. I'm not even going to touch it. I'm just going to let him die. And moment of truth, folks. Yeah, they all saved. Sweet. Perfect. So that's all that I wanted to do for this episode. We can go over to our checklist. Where'd it go? Over to our checklist and, oh crap, what is that? Add saves. Is it complete? Yes, it's complete. And let's black that out, baby. Boom. Cool. Guys, that does it for this episode. Thank you for tuning in and watching it. I hope you guys are excited to get Sit Ninja completed and onto the app stores. But until then, see you guys on the next.